Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accomplish. 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 Accomplish is a verb that means to successfully complete or achieve something, typically a goal or a task. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The team collaborated to accomplish the project ahead of the deadline. Why accomplish is used in example number 1. Accomplish in this sentence highlights the team's successful completion of the project and the fact that they did so before the specified deadline. Example number 2. He set out to accomplish the mission, despite facing numerous challenges. Why accomplish is used in example number 2. Accomplish is used to convey that he intended to complete the mission successfully, even in the face of difficulties. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.